Are you looking for a permanent makeup machine that learns how you like to work and adapts to suit your preferences? Made with the latest cutting-edge technology, the Flux S Max from Microbeau can do just that. I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and we are so excited to be showing you all the features of the Flux S Max today. This machine has been designed to bring diversity and maximum versatility to your clinic. Do you want to know more? Then keep watching. Based on the original Flux S, the new Flux S Max comes in 3 stunning shades: Rouge, Oud Wood and Midnight. This is the first ever machine from the brand where the machine colour corresponds with the 3 different stroke options. The 3 options are optimised to help facilitate your treatment based on technique and preference. Rouge is a 2.5mm stroke length, great for precise clean lines and lip blush treatments. Midnight has a 3.2mm stroke length, which provides pixel-perfect precision and delicate fine lines for eyeliner and brows. Oud Wood comes with a stroke length of 4.5mm, designed to meet the demands of experienced PMU artists, areola tattooing, scar coverage and any tougher skin types. Rouge and Oud Wood are both high gloss, and Midnight comes in this stunning semi-gloss finish. The Flux S Max also comes with a new digital display and a built-in menu, which makes your life as a PMU artist much easier. As the first Microbeau machine to be powered by the Powerbolt II battery pack, this completely wireless device provides control over all features and settings. It really is that easy. The display means you can easily navigate menu options, adjust e-give, check your battery life and change your display to suit your needs. You can choose between volts or hertz to suit exactly how you want to work. You can also adjust in 1 or 0.5 increments via the easy-to-use controls, meaning your experience is completely personalised. The Powerbolt II is interchangeable and charges via a USB-C charging port, with dynamic power path management, meaning you can charge your machine while in use for 0 interruptions. The improved grip of the Flux S Max has been tweaked for maximum functional comfort with a tapered wave design. The Flux S Max comes with Bluetooth connectivity to pair with the Dark Lab app and weighs in at 166 grams, including the battery. Fully charged, this machine can run from 6 to 10 hours depending on the voltage used. The sleek design is easy to cover, and we recommend to always barrier protect your PMU machine for yours and your client's safety. Like all of the much-loved Microbeau machines, you have the freedom to pair the Flux S Max with your favourite universal needle cartridges. If you are keen to try out this innovative new machine, you can order yours today via the link in the description. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our product reviews, exclusive artist interviews and free educational content only on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel. See you next time!